In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an order note option on Shopify. This is a simple but powerful way to let customers share special instructions like gift messages, delivery details, or customization notes right before they check out. It helps you fulfill orders more accurately and reduces back and forth with buyers. First, head over to shopify.com and click on Log In. Sign into your store's admin dashboard. You'll be working entirely inside the admin, so there's nothing to install or code. Once you're in, look at the left-hand panel and click on Online Store. This is where all your theme and storefront settings live. Next, find your current theme and click on Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which gives you a live preview of your store on the right and all the configuration options on the left. We're going to adjust a setting that controls what appears in the cart. On the left panel of the editor, scroll and click on Theme Settings. Theme settings control global features, things that affect multiple parts of your site, including the cart. Inside theme settings, open the cart section from the drop-down menu. Depending on your theme, this might be labeled simply as cart, and it governs how the cart behaves and what features are available to shoppers. Under the cart features section, look for the toggle called Allow Note to Seller. Turn this on. Enabling this setting adds a text field to the cart where customers can type in special instructions. Some themes label this field as order notes or special instructions for seller, but it functions the same way. It's a great place for customers to specify variations, apartment numbers, preferred delivery details, or anything you need to know before fulfilling the order. Once the toggle is enabled, click on Save. Saving locks in your changes and makes the note field visible to customers. After saving, your cart will display a simple text box where shoppers can write their message before proceeding to checkout. Those notes will appear with the order details in your Shopify admin, so you and your team can see them while preparing the shipment. A quick tip: keep your product pages and shipping policies clear about what customers should put in the notes. The more guidance you provide, the more useful and actionable these messages will be for your fulfillment process. That's all it takes to add an order note option on Shopify. Quick, clean, and incredibly helpful for both you and your customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.